Hello, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 12 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter display. Right here you'll find every settings for your display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change display mode between light and dark. Also you can schedule the dark mode. And in more dark mode options you can adjust wallpapers to dark mode, adjust text and backgrounds automatically, and enable dark mode for individual apps. Next you can change brightness level of the screen manually or via automatic brightness. Also you can enable sunlight mode. Then you can enable reading mode, change its mode between classic and paper, and also adjust those. Then you can schedule the reading mode. Next you can change color scheme between vivid, saturated, standard, advanced, and also you can change color temperature. Next you can change refresh rate of the screen between default and custom. You can change font style, text size, manage when device is in VR to reduce blur or reduce flicker, and enable or disable auto rotate screen. If you want to change screen timeout, go to always on display, enter sleep and select between 15 seconds and 10 minutes. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.